Hello student, this is and question of exercise 6.5, question number 15. Okay, but I have made it some changes and make this question a little bit different, but the concept is one and the same. Okay, you can prove first like this and then you can do that. What I have done actually, I said AB equals to BC equals to AC equals to 9. Okay, I said all sides are 9. Then it was given what BD is one third of BC, right? You can find that. What I have given then, A is perpendicular to BC. I have also given what A is perpendicular to what BC. AE. It is what perpendicular to what BC. Okay. All it was 9 9 and it is perpendicular to BC means what? Since it is equilateral triangle, so B will be 4.5 and AC will be also 4.5, 90 degree. And you know BD was how much? So I am drawing a BD. So here the point D is there. It's one third of BC actually. Assume this figure like that. Okay. Yes. So these were all given. What? A is perpendicular to BC. What you need to find? AD and you need to find AE. We can go by two ways. So first way, by just going by number we can go, right? We will do that one first. And you know the regular one, that also I will explain. So ready? So ready. Solution. So क्या करना है? सबसे पहले you want AD and AE, right? Take a triangle ABE and apply Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABE, apply Pythagoras theorem. AB square equals to, yes, ABE में AB square equals to what? A square plus B square. A square plus B square, right? AB you know, AB is how much? 9. But you need to find B. So you know, B equals to half of AC, half of BC you can say, right? How? A is perpendicular to BC and its altitude of equilateral triangle is median, right? You can write here altitude of equilateral triangle is median. Triangle is a median. Okay. So you can say it's half of what? BC. So BC is 9 by 2. Just put the value there. And you will get what? A square. I want A square. Can I write like this? A square equals to AB square minus B square. Simply saying B square that side and writing in this form. AB square minus B square. Okay, यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया? Now AB is how much? AB is 9. So 9 square minus B is how much? 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 whole square. 9 square is 81. This will be 81 by 4. Cross multiply. 4 1 the 4 and the 32, right? 3 to 4. Yes. 3 to 4 minus 81 by 4. It is A square. Further, if you subtract this, here 3 and there 24. 243 upon 4. Yes. We got this. It's A square, but you want A. So you can write like this: A equals to root of 243 upon 4. Simply you can write this much. Okay, no need to further simplify. Next you want AD square. So in which triangle AD square is there? AED. So in triangle AED. Right, Pythagoras theorem. AD square equals to A square plus what? D square. Simple. ADE. Okay, so AD square equals to what? A square plus D square. So you need to find D. You know what is B? B is 4.5, right? 9 by 2. And you know what is BD? BD is also, it is given. It will be 3, right? You know BD equals to 1/3 of BC. 1 by 3 into 9. So it's 3. BD is 3. Then what is D? D is what? B minus. What is DE? This is DE, okay. It will be what? B minus BD. B minus BD. This actually this D point is little bit this side. Okay. Let it be. It will be B minus what? BD. Okay. B कितना है 9/2. B is how much? 9/2. So ये 9/2 minus BD is how much now? BD is how much? 3. So if you simplify this, 2 into 3, 6. 9 minus 6. Okay. Upon 2. It is 3/2. So हमें क्या मिल रहा है? D 3/2. Just put the value here. AD square equals to A square as it is. A square is this. So take 2, 4, 3 upon 4 plus D square. So 3/2 square directly take 9/4. Add this. It's 252 upon 4. And if you divide 252 by 4, you will get 63. AD square. So AD equals to how much? Root of 63. If we make a changes like this, okay, it become application based question and we got AD as root 63. Okay, but in textbook how it is given, we can solve like that also. Yes, so I will add that further and you can see the solution again. Ready? Okay, so I am removing these changes and this is actual question. So we will do actual question. Very simple. Given is what? It is given BD is 1/3 of BC. So since it is given equilateral triangle, you can take x, 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 all sides. Okay? Solution. We'll take all sides are equal, no? AB, BC and AC equals to x. So can I say BD is 1/3 of what? What is BC? BC is also x. Okay, so you are getting 1/3 of x means x/3. Simple. It is given actually. BD is what? 1/3 of BC. It's a question with here. Or BC is x. So BD is x/3. Okay. Now construction. Draw AE perpendicular to BC. Okay, and you know perpendicular or the altitude of equilateral triangle is the median. You can write the statement. Altitude of equilateral triangle is a median. So you can say B equals to EC equals to 1/2 of BC. So BC is x, so x/2. Okay. If you don't want EC, don't write EC. Okay. Now we got BD. BD distance is x/3 already, and B is how much? x/2. So देखो, I am drawing here. This is B. Suppose it's x/2, and this is BD. It's x/3. Okay. BE is x/2. BD is x/3. I want D. Very important. D कैसे मिलेगा? Suppose this complete was 9 and this is 7. So if you want D, so 9 minus 7, no? Same. x/2, this complete minus this much, this complete distance minus this much. So it's what? x/2 minus x/3. Do the cross multiplication. 3x, 2x, 3x minus 2x upon 6. You will get x/6. Simple. Okay, so we will find the D. So D I can write directly here. x/2, that is B minus, okay, have I written there B? No, B minus BD. You have to write like that. So B is how much? x/2 minus x/3. Cross multiply 3x minus 2x upon 6. It's x/6. Now rest part is very easy. Just apply Pythagoras theorem. Just apply Pythagoras theorem और आ जाएगा. ओके, तो सबसे पहले हम कौन सा ट्रायंगल लेंगे? AEB लेंगे. In triangle AEB, you know Pythagoras theorem. In triangle AEB, again AB square equals to what? AEB में AB square equals to B square plus A square. B square plus A square. ठीक है. We know AB is x. We know B in terms of x. B is what? X by 2. Okay, we have put here also. We can directly write here AB square, or what is B? B is how much? X by 2, half of it, whole square. What is AB actually? AB is x square, right? Now only AE we need to find. So simple, a square यहीं पे रहेगा, उसे वहाँ भेजो, x square minus x square by 4 हो जाएगा, और ये a square रहेगा. We have transposed that side. Now a square equals to 4 into x square, 4x square, 4x square minus 4x square minus x square upon 4 होता है. आगे क्या करना है? ये 4 minus 1, so it is 3x square upon 4. a square क्या आ रहा है? 3x square upon 4. सिंपल. और पिछले क्वेश्चन में पूछा था व्हाट इज ए स्क्वायर. सिंपली x की वैल्यू पुट करो ना. x कितना है? 9 है. We'll get a square equals to what? Put there 9 square into what? 3 is there, no? 3 into 9 square upon 4. Taking square root, you'll get the answer also. Yes, जो पिछले क्वेश्चन का था, as it is you will get, no changes will be there. Okay, root 63 you got, no? Actually it means what? 9 into 3 only, 9 into 7 only, which is 3 root 7. It was something 80. We will see which value it is. It is 80. A अलग था. If you take this square root, you will get what? 9 root 3 upon 2 you will get. Okay, 9 root 3 upon 2. Yes? Okay. Next one now. But you need to solve up to this. Name this as equation 1. In which question? If it is like this. Okay, अगर 9 दिया है, then you just need to put your value. You will get a square, and after taking square root, you will get this. Okay, I am erasing this. We don't want that. Last one we want AD square. So कौन से triangle में AD आ रहा है? In triangle ADE it is coming, right? Pythagoras theorem. ADE. I can say AD square equals to A square plus AD square equals to A square plus D square. A square as it is put करो, 3x square by 4. What is D square? D is x by 6, so x square by 6, 36. Okay. D x by 6 था. Okay. X by 6 whole square. So I can write like x square. And this is 36, taking square of it, one step reduce. Now LCM of this क्या आएगा? AD square equals to into what? 9 into 9 LCM. So in denominator 36, 3 into 9, 3 into 9, 27x square plus x square, 28x square. और ये 36 डिवाइड होता है किसी से? 4 से होता है. 4 7s are 4 9s are. हो गया. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. 9AD square equals to 7x square. X is what? You can take AB जो चाहिए, 7AB square. And I had asked you AD square, so you can write AD square equals to what? 7 by 9. AB square. AB was what? 9. 9 square. So 9 9 get cancelled. 63. So AD square equals to what? 63. So AD is root 63. You can simplify this. 9 into 7, so 3 root 7 also is possible answer of AD. Yes? लेकिन अगर इतना ही पूछा है तो इतना ही solve करना. But if the sides are given, you can do like this. So hope all of you got this.